Hi everybody. Are you tired with a small storage capacity? I think I also. But this is a serious problem. Can we have a solution? First of all, I will show you my one for as a proof. See, my almost desks are filled up. So actually, I am also suffering from this problem, and I have found a best solution for this in free. For this, we have to come any of the browser like Edge or Chrome. Then, first of all, I will show you something. For this, I have come in Copilot and typing one drive provide how much cloud storage freely. So the answer is just 5 GB, and thereafter they charges a lot of money for a month, for a year, and a lot of plans they have. Not only this, but they also collaborated like the Google one. If I will search for Google Drive, then you can see only 15 GB. Thereafter, they also charges a lot of money for a lot of different plans. But from today, you don't have to be panic. For using this trick, we only require two apps or two websites. The first one is Instagram, and the second one is the legendary one and only YouTube Studio. And have you think that why these both only? Because I will show you in the upcoming part. Here I have come in Ufite Studio and I will show you for this one. If you want the unlimited storage for videos or movies or any of the clip, then just come this and then start uploading your videos like I am showing here. Here, after coming, you just have to pick the files that you want. In a single time you are only able to pick a single file that can't be a large as per your choice. As I have taken one, then just describe any of the details, description, etc. And here the most important thing come, which is visibility. Then if you want to only use as a cloud storage, then make sure that you have to make your every of the video that you are uploading only in unlisted or only in private. If you put it unlisted, then you can also invite your friends to watch it, and if it is private, then you don't. Then in the same way you are able to upload this. I have talked about videos, but what about photos? So for this problem we have to come to the Instagram and make sure that you have to make a new account that can't be linked with your mobile number, because your contact won't be accessed, and make sure that you have to give a different name to it. Then just come to the settings of the Instagram and find the option that is I think first of all click on the all of the stupid things. Then just make sure that you have to make your account private. For this you have to click on account privacy, then make sure you have to making it private. Now I have made my account private. Now then what's happened? If anyone wants to see my profile, then they must have to follow me, and I be able to accept or deny the request that they are giving. Now for this, just click on share photos as per your choice. Then just select any of the image from the computer and then upload it like I'm going to show you how. For this, you have to pick any of the image, like I will just click on any of the thing. I have a lot of file, so I think I have to first of all click any of the image, then just click it, and then adjust it with your recommendations. Then next, if you want to apply filters, other settings, then you can. Then next, then give a title, name, and then just sharing. In the same way, you are be able to upload your images and some short videos in Instagram as using a cloud storage for unlimited data. And if you want to delete your Instagram account, then how you can? For deleting an Instagram account, you have to come to the account center. Here you can see your profile. Then here we can see a lot of options. Then click on personal details. Here you can see account and ownership option, then deactivation or activation. Then just click on account, then delete account. Then they will ask for a password. Then you just have to enter the password that you have created, and then select any of the reason, and then just click, and then one more time click, and then one more time click. If you want to download any of the information, then you can easily download it. They give the option, and make sure you be fully comfortable by deleting it, because you got a time of 1 month to restore your account. So now we meet in another video.